It would rain on that Saturday. Absent of pearls is the grand ocean mollusk, cries of self-pity without shedding salty tears, seeking to find truth in an unrelenting fervor. See the darkness drift in a twilight crescendo. Dancing in the dark or waltzing in a whirlwind, perfidious and decrepit is the one-legged snake. Sweet tea from inside its dark cherrywood box, steeped in red clay pots, hidden by the righteous. Red lightning strikes through the lower tree line, disturbing all thoughts of ambivalence in dreams. The hooded in mourning, whilst a crypt-like fog lifts, gates of wrought iron grasp the spirit deep within. Rain upon leaves make a steady tap, tap, tapping. Bare feet hit a road, the slippery slope slithering. Sandals save the day as the faithless find a home, praying for we knew it would rain on that Saturday. My thanks to all of you for stopping by, listening to my poetry, and watching my videos. I truly appreciate it, and I appreciate the support. Thank you. My poetry books are available through Amazon as well as Barnes & Noble. You can pick one up for a stocking stuffer or present for somebody that likes poetry. I'd appreciate the support. Thank you very much. Bye now.